Hello, techies. Alright, this is CompTIA 6.1.4 lab, and we're going to connect a cable modem. So all of the facts that we're going to be working on in this particular lab has been highlighted for you on the left pane. So let's go ahead and see what is required for us in this particular lab. So you are working on a small office home network. You have signed up for a cable. You just signed up for cable internet access for the network. The cable company has installed the line into the home and given you a pre-configured modem for your network. So your task in this lab is to connect the components to make sure the internet connection to make the internet connection. Add the cable modem to the workspace, connect the modem to the ISP cable line using the RG6 coaxial cable. Connect the computer to the cable modem using a Cat6A Ethernet cable. Use the AC to DC power adapter to plug in the modem. Check the computer to confirm that it properly connected to the internet. Alright, so we have our task cut out for us. Let's start up right away. We're gonna go into the cable modem. Let's see what we have here. We place this here. Okay, I wanna place this here, and then let's see what else we have. We have the Quasha RG6 cable, so that is what we're going to be using. So we're going to connect one end here, and the other end is going to be connected here. The other end is supposed to go into this port. Alright, so that is done. So let's plug this in here, and the other end is going to go to this particular end of this modem, and this end is going to come in here and here, and the other end is going to come to the back of the CPU. So we'll look for the network port at the back of the computer and plug this in. Okay. Let's turn this back to front, and let's go into the desktop and check if the internet has been connected. There's a sign of connection there, but we just have to confirm to be sure. So let's do a little pinging here. Go into the PowerShell and we do IP config. And okay, so we have IP address, default gateway. So let's ping this particular IP address. Uh, let's just ping google.com and see what happens. Ping request could not find host google.com. Please check the name and try again. Okay, so let's check here, and let's type in anything just at random, search for anything, and this is going successfully. So everything here seems okay. So let's check. Do we have any other tags here? I doubt if there's any other tag. So in the absence, let's see, in the absence of any other thing, let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score that. Alright, so that is it. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button first. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. And if you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section or make use of the WhatsApp number attached to this video to reach me. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit and good luck. Peace.